क्या वो write name to complex permanent tissue. Write names of complex permanent tissue. Names of complex permanent tissue. Names of complex permanent tissue. Write names of complex permanent tissue. Xylem and phloem are the two complex permanent tissue. Name simple permanent tissue. Name simple permanent tissue. Parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Which tissue is present in the husk of a coconut? Which tissue is present in the husk of a coconut? Option A, sclerenchyma. Option B, parenchyma. Option C, meristematic. Which tissue is present in the husk of a coconut? Sclerenchyma, parenchyma, and collenchyma and meristematic. Which tissue is present in the husk of a coconut? Sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma. Name the tissue which are present in the plants at the nodes. Name the tissue which are present in the plants at the nodes. Name the tissues which are present in the plants at the nodes. Name the tissues which are present in the plants at the nodes. Which tissue are present in the plants at nodes? Intercalary tissue. Intercalary tissue. Good. Dash tissue is present below the epidermis. Dash tissue is present below the epidermis. Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Dash tissue is present below the epidermis. Papun. Dash tissue is present below the epidermis. Parenchyma. Name the tissue which is responsible for the movement of our body. Name the tissue which is responsible for the movement of our body. Muscular tissue, nerve tissue. Write the SI unit of momentum. 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 Momentum equal to P equal to mv, mass into velocity. Mass kg into meter per second. You are wrong. Kg into meter per second. Who stated the law of definite proportion? Who stated the law of definite proportion? Who stated the law of definite proportion? J.L. Proust. A.L. Lavoisier stated the law of conservation of mass, and J.L. Proust stated the law of definite proportion. What is the full form of IUPAC? Write the full form of IUPAC. Write the full form of IUPAC. Write the full form of IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Give the derivation source of a symbol of sodium. Give the derivation source of a symbol of sodium. Someshri. Give the derivation source of a symbol of sodium, Na. So the symbol of sodium is Na. From which source symbol of sodium is written as Na. Na for sodium is derived from its Latin name natrium. Give difference between 2H and H2. Difference between 2H H2. 2H means 2 atoms of hydrogen. H2 means 1 molecule of hydrogen. In carbon dioxide, what is the ratio of carbon and oxygen by its atomic mass? In carbon dioxide, what is the ratio of carbon and oxygen by mass? In carbon dioxide, the ratio of carbon and oxygen by mass is dash 3:8. In water, 1:8. Carbon dioxide is 3:8. The symbol of aluminum sulfate. The chemical formula of aluminum sulfate. The symbol of aluminum sulfate. The symbol of aluminum sulfate Al2SO4 whole 3. Al2SO4 whole 3 aluminum sulfate. Sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate. NaNO3. Very good. Symbol of ammonium nitrate. Symbol of or formula of ammonium nitrate. Formula of ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate NH4 3N. You are wrong. Ammonium nitrate Bubu. Sodium nitrate turbul. Sanu Someshri right. Ammonium nitrate. Ammonium NH4 NO3. Write the molecular mass of ammonium nitrate. Write the molecular mass of ammonium nitrate. Write the molecular mass of ammonium nitrate. Papun. अच्छे से Write the molecular mass of ammonium nitrate NH4NO3. Molecular mass of NH4NO3 ammonium nitrate. Molecular mass means the sum of atomic mass of individual atoms are present in a molecule. NH4NO3, N nitrogen, atomic mass is 14, H4 hydrogen 4, phone N is 14, O3 3 into 16 48, सबुठ प्लस कर दो 80 U at molecular mass of ammonium nitrate is 80 U. ATMU, ठीक, correct. What is the SI unit of capital G? Universal gravitational constant. SI unit of a universal gravitational constant. SI unit of universal gravitational constant. Newton meter square per kg square. Next question, the value of acceleration due to gravity dash. Sanu, my question, SI unity, not the value of G. G is 6.7 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, the value of G is also correct. But my question was that the SI unit of G, the value of acceleration due to gravity dash is same on equator and poles, is least on poles, is least on equator, increases from pole to equator. Which option is correct? The value of acceleration due to gravity is dash. There are 4 options. Option A is same on equator and poles. Option B is least on poles. Option C is least on equator. Option D increase from pole to equator. Is least on equator. Very good. The value of acceleration due to gravity is least on equator. Next question. Carefully listen. The gravitational force between two objects is F. The gravitational force between two objects is F if masses of both objects are half without changing distance between them. Then the gravitational force would become dash. F by 4, F by 2, F 2F. Again repeat the question. The gravitational force between two objects is F. If masses of both objects are halved without changing the distance between them. दुईटा ऑब्जेक्ट भितर ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स जदि F हुए, if masses of both objects are half, the mass of both objects get halved. Mass of first object also get halved, second object also half, without changing their distance between them. Then the force, the gravitational force should become dash F by 4, F by 2, F, 2F, F by 4. Very good. F by 4. 1/4. Next question. Law of gravitation gives the gravitational force between dash. Law of gravitation gives the gravitational force between the earth and a point mass only, the earth and the sun only. C option, any two bodies having some mass. D option, two charged bodies only. Again, repeat the question. Law of gravitation gives the gravitational force between dash. C option is correct. Any two bodies having some mass. The value of quantity G, the value of capital G in the law of gravitation is dash. The earth and a point, depends on mass of earth only, depends on radius of earth only, depends on both mass and radius of earth. Now is independent of mass and radius of the earth. Repeat the question. The value of G, capital G, in the law of gravitation, which is depends the mass of earth, now depends the radius of earth, now depends the mass and radius of earth, now it is independent of mass and radius of the earth. Capital G is the universal gravitational constant. So the value of a constant never be changed. If a value will be changed, then it depends on some any other. The value of a G constant. So why the value of a G, the G, why G depend to anyone? It is independent of mass and radius of the earth. Jadi G ro value earth ro radius किंबा mass ऊपर depend करें से independent. G होची constant value. बुझेला? D option होगा. It is independent of mass and radius of the earth. The atmosphere is held to the earth by dash. The atmosphere is held to the earth by gravity, windy, clouds. The atmosphere is held to the earth by dash. Gravity. Very good. The weight of an object at the center of the earth of radius r is dash. The weight of an object at the center of the earth of radius r is dash. 0, infinite, r times the weight at the surface of the earth, 1 by r square times the weight at the surface of the earth. Which option is 0? Very good. The weight of an object at the center of the earth of radius is 0. Very good. Next question. An object weighs 10 Newton in air. Gote object ro weight hochi air re 10 Newton. When immersed fully in water, it weighs only 8 Newton. Jetole water re bude jala tar weight hela 8 Newton. The weight of the liquid dispersed by the object will be dash. 2 Newton, 8 Newton, 10 Newton, 12 Newton. ताले केते न्यूटन लिक्विड द्वारा ये हला 2 न्यूटन थिला केते एयर थिला 10 न्यूटन जेतो वाटर कले से केते गला 8 न्यूटन ताले 2 न्यूटन फोर्स कोन हला ताको वाटर अपवर्ड मूवमेंट जेतो हला 2 न्यूटन तो लॉस कला ताबरे Okay. Next question. Which cell organelle is known as the suicidal bag? Which cell organelle is known as the suicidal bag? Chromosomes are made up of lysosome, correct? Chromosomes are made up of dash DNA, protein, DNA and protein, DNA. Which option is correct? DNA. Chromosomes are made up of dash DNA, protein, DNA and protein, RNA. DNA and protein. C option correction is right. Plasmolysis in a plant cell is defined as dash. Plasmolysis in a plant cell is defined as dash. Breakdown of plasma membrane in hypotonic medium, shrinkage of nucleoplasm, shrinkage of cytoplasm in hypertonic solution. Which option is correct? A, B, C. Option A है breakdown of plasma membrane in hypotonic medium. B option है shrinkage of cytoplasm na nucleoplasm. C option है shrinkage of cytoplasm in hypertonic solution. Plasmolysis in a plant cell is defined as shrinkage of cytoplasm in hypertonic solution. Okay.